Normally we get this vineyard a lot earlier in the season, given the current weather conditions. It's September 22nd, and as you can see, perfect condition. A little bit later in the season compared to other years, but definitely condition outstanding, looking very good. If you look at the size of the clusters, it's perfect.
What we're seeing here is that we're dumping whole fruit or whole cluster Pinot Noir into the tank for what's called whole cluster fermentation. And that's a fermentation with the berries and with the stems, with the whole grape itself. And what this does, whole cluster fermentation, is that it gives us tannins and phenolics that help build mid-palate in the wine. When you ferment with some stems, they do extract tannins, and the tannins from these stems tend to situate themselves in the mid-palate of the wine.